So what we've got here is a little point that sticks out in the river. Right here's the current seam. And we've got deep water all along behind it. Now we could spend a ton of time walking up and down along the banks right there, casting out into the edge of the current, or we can stand on this point. You need some kind of floating bait. Cast it out. Free spool your floating bait downstream. Vary how much line you let out and you retrieve and catch fish.
You got one. There's one on there for sure. You see it, yep. There it is. There it is. There he goes. Woo.